Greetings, Chris Zirkle here. In this video, we're going to learn how to record audio in Premiere Pro to use for podcasting. So I'm using an external microphone. So you want to make sure that there's a lot of things that aren't going to be in this video that you have to be aware of, like how to get Adobe Premiere Pro installed onto your computer, how to go in and make sure it's reading your external microphone versus your default internal microphone. That is, if you're using an external microphone. Those types of things won't be covered in this video. You can contact me for support with that. There's also some resources and some videos down below underneath all the modules. You can go and look in there for some things that may help you out. But if you get Premiere Pro installed on your computer, and let's say, for example, this is a video that I'm actually going to use for a project that I'm working on where we're going to do some B-roll. So we want to actually record voiceover over this video. So all we do is we come to the microphone and click on the microphone. Greetings, Chris Zirkle here. Welcome to the podcast challenge. Today we're going to be learning how to record audio with Premiere Pro, which is a video editor. We're not using it for video, we're using it for audio. You can use it for a wide variety of purposes, such as voiceover, things like that, but we're using the record feature in Premiere Pro to record and edit audio. We'll get into editing in the next module. When you are done recording, click on the microphone. It'll stop, and you'll see your audio recording is below.